Hello everyone, welcome to yet another update on Morpheus the bot. So today all I want to do is give you guys an update on how last week went, because I didn't give you a finalized update on how the week ended and also how the week is going so far this week as well. Okay, so last week the last time I sent an update, I think we were around 7.8% up or 8% at its peak. However, like I mentioned in the videos, that's not always going to remain the case, as the amount is going to fluctuate due to market movements. And on Friday, we had quite harsh retracements and we lost some of those gains. And like I said, I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys and show you exactly how it went. So at the peak, it was around 8% up. However, we ended the week around 5.2%, I think. So let me just double check that for you guys. So here we go. We'll go into last week. Okay, so that was the week beginning the 24th. Okay, so I'm just going to choose 23rd here and ending on the 28th. Okay, so that's last week. So let's have a look at how last week went. So as you guys can see, we started off on 100k and this is all the profit I was taking. And also I want you guys to notice the amount of profits that are being taken. There was one trade on gold that took a loss at the end, okay, and the other ones are all in profit. So we actually ended the week on 5.9%, my apologies. Okay, so 5.9% we ended the week on. Okay, so again, at its peak it was around 6%. We lost a couple of percent due to retracements on Friday, but we ended the week on a very healthy 5.9%. So we're very happy with that, and again, that's a great week for us, and if we can do that every single week, would be over the moon. But I just wanted to give you an update just to show you complete transparency exactly on how the week went, and like I mentioned, it's a great week for us. Okay, so let's see how the week is going so far this week. So we've only finished 2 trading days this week, okay, Monday and Tuesday, and I'm actually recording this at a very silly time. Actually, it's around almost 2 a.m. So the spreads are going to widen as the market approaches closing time. So you might see the spreads going a little bit mental, which will reflect in the prices changing quite significantly in around 4 minutes or so. However, we are currently $442 in profit. We're on running trades, on open trades. So that's going quite well. But also we have taken some of the profits. There won't be much fluctuation right now because the market is approaching its closing time. Okay, but let's have a look at how the week is going so far. So we've also already banked some of the profits as well. So if I go on the week, we started on Monday. Okay, so Monday until now, what have we banked so far? So we banked 2.1% already so far, and as I mentioned, we've got 0.44% running. So we've got around 2.5% gain so far this week. Okay, that's phenomenal again. Just 2 trading days and the bot is doing exactly what it should be doing. So let's have a look at the closing trades. We've taken some good positions on gold, securing around 1.4, 1.5% there overall, and then a couple of those trades have actually ended up hitting break even, okay, on NZD USD, and then we've taken some wins earlier on Monday on Euro NZD. We went into the week with looking for NZD strength, and that's exactly what's happened so far, with Euro NZD securing some of the gains, and also NZD USD buys signaling NZD strength as we predicted, also securing some buys, securing some profits. Okay, so that's it really. I just wanted to give you an update. Like I mentioned, I would be doing pre-launch. So we've got around 60k done and ready to go as we launch on the 7th. So in about 5 working, no, not even 5 working days, but in 5 days, we'll be launching on Monday on a fresh trading week with those funds ready to go. Obviously, there are going to be some more that are going to be added on, but as we mentioned on The second batch, we're only going to go up to 100k. At that point, we are going to pause the funding. So let me see if I can, let me see if I can show you some of the positions that are running at the minute. So if I just zoom out on Euro NZD, we can see that these ones have been running on shorts. We placed these positions over here, well we didn't, the bots automatically done it based on our strategy, but they are now protected. Okay, so great positions there, beginning the week in profit, and we've left the runners run and also secured some of these profits on this market already. But the main thing here is that they are protected, so even if the market does choose to retrace, we will be stopped out at break even, not losing any of the gains. Excuse me. So Aussie dollar CHF as well, I think that's got a few positions running. Let me have a look over here. Aussie dollar CHF, yeah, it's got a few positions running, very small positions in a slight loss at the minute, but the others are running nicely on Euro NZD and NZD USD as we look for continued strength of the NZD. I'm really sorry, I'm losing my voice, but yeah, I'll leave that there for you guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed that update. If there's any questions, do fire them across to us. Otherwise, we look forward to having you on board on this exciting journey with us.